Take a look at this problem. We've got square root of x plus 8 plus square root of x plus 1 is equal to 5. Step 1, get a radical by itself. So I'm going to take one of these square roots over to the right side, doesn't matter which one. I'll pick the square root of x plus 1. So I got square root of x plus 8 is equal to 5 minus square root of x plus 1. Step 2, raise both sides to a power equal to the index. Well, these are square roots, so I'll square both sides. So I got square root of x plus 8 squared is equal to 5 minus square root of x plus 1 squared. Now over on the left side, when your index matches your power, they cancel each other. So we got x plus 8. Over on the right side, 5 minus square root of x plus 1 squared means 5 minus square root of x plus 1 times 5 minus square root of x plus 1. We're going to take this 5 here, I'll multiply it times the 5 in the other parentheses, and times the square root. And we'll take this square root and multiply it times the 5 and times that square root. So we got x plus 8 is equal to 5 times 5 plus 5 times negative square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x plus 1 times 5 minus square root of x plus 1 times negative square root of x plus 1. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times the negative square root of x plus 1 is negative 5 square root of x plus 1. Negative square root of x plus 1 times 5 is negative 5 square root of x plus 1. And negative times negative is positive, and square root of x plus 1 times square root of x plus 1 gives us x plus 1. So we got x plus 8. Let's combine together like items. Here's 25 plus 1, that's 26. And here we have negative 5 square root of x plus 1 and negative 5 square root of x plus 1. Since the radicals are the same, you can add or subtract numbers in front. In this case, negative 5 is negative 10 square root of x plus 1. And then I'll bring down the plus x. Okay. Now we're down to step 3. If more radicals, go back to step number 1. So we have more radicals, so we'll start over. Now I want to get everything with a radical on one side and everything else on the other side. So I'm going to take this negative 10 square root of x plus 1 to the left side. Now I'll take the x plus 8 to the right side. So we get positive 10 square root of x plus 1 equals, this is x is still here, plus 26. Now I take the x over, it becomes a negative x. Take the 8 over, it becomes a negative 8. So we got 10 square root of x plus 1 equals, x minus x drops away, 26 minus 8 is 14? No, let me think, 18. 26 minus 18. Now, still don't have it by itself, but if I divided both sides by 10, I would create a fraction. We don't want the fractions. It makes our problem harder than it needs to be. But I can divide both sides by 2. That'll get us a step closer to getting the square root by itself. So that gives us 5 square root of x plus 1 equals 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, let's go on to step 2 now. Step 2 says raise both sides to a power equal to the index. This is a square root, so we'll square both sides. So we've got 5 square root of x plus 1 squared equals 9 squared. Now, when everything inside your parentheses is multiplication and division, you're raising it to a power, you can take everything to that power. So we're going to take the 5 to the second power and the square root of x plus 1 to the second power. So we've got 5 squared and square root of x plus 1 squared. Over on the right side, 9 squared is 81. Well, 5 squared is 25. And when you're raising up, when your index matches your power, you're raising it to, it cancels away and leaves you x plus 1 equals 81. And step 4, solve for x. This is a linear equation, so take 25, multiply it through. So 25 times x is 25x. 25 times 1 is 25, equals 81. get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other. So I take 25 to the right side. And we get 25x is equal to 81 minus 25. What is this? 56, I think? 56, I believe. Yeah. Divide both sides by 25, and we get x is equal to 56 over 25. If it checks. If I plug 56 over 25 back up here, let's see what 56 over 25 plus 8 is equal to. 56 over 25 plus 8, inner, math, inner. That gives us square root of 256 over 25. Now if I plug in 56 over 25 here, that gives us 81 over 25. Well, 256, what is that? Square root 256 over 25. 3.2, if I do math inner, change its fraction. 16/5. Plus, and 9 times 9 is 81, 5 times 5 is 25, so that would give me 9/5, which gives me 25 over 5, which gives me 5, which matches the right side. So that actually checks. Even though the answer is kind of bizarre, it works out. And that's our answer.